history of this place. A long time ago, it was guess founded or whatever, run by the Danish, and the United States bought it. So one thing I find when I tell people I'm going to the Virgin Islands, one, they don't know where it is. So it is just off the coast of Puerto Rico. The Virgin Islands consist of 3 islands: St. Croix, which is the largest, St. John, and St. Thomas. St. John is mostly just lived on by people, and St. Thomas would be the one that most likely you would come into if you're on a cruise ship, which right here, there is a cruise port here. This is the one side of the island with the one larger town of Fredrickstead. The other larger town would be Christiansted, which is the other side of the island where we were yesterday eating. And I'll probably add that footage after here, but this is kind of my intro. So, oh yeah, I am L to the W. Car vlogger. Vlog about cars, coffee, and life. Anything to do with any of those 3 subjects. Today we are on vacation here in St. Croix, the U.S. Virgin Islands. So if you are a U.S. citizen, you can come here with just a driver's license to get on the airplane. No passport required, because even though it's not a state, it is a territory of the United States. There are also British Virgin Islands, which you will need a passport for because it's owned by, of course, England and all that. But if you wanted to come to either here or St. Thomas, no passport is required at all. This is all U.S. territory. I prefer St. Croix. It's the larger of the islands. There's a lot more to do here. St. Thomas is just more of a tourist place for cruise ships to come in. It's not a lot to kind of see and do there. Not that it's a bad place at all. I mean, I wouldn't say not to go there, but me, my favorite is St. Croix. I just like, it's a bigger island. There's more here, and as you can see, it's absolutely breathtaking. The water and stuff here. Shit. Oh, my shoes just got wet. Ooh. So, anyhow, man, what do you guys think? We pick a good place to go on vacation or what? Hey, let me get up on this pier. This little boardwalk. Look at all that. So, a lot of history of these islands. There used to be a big sugar mill processing thing, and you can still see some of the sugar processing plants around here. Well, anyway, we're gonna go check out a little bit more of the island. Put this camera up for a little bit. We're gonna go swim with my beautiful wife. this is a very good local place to eat. If you're here, look it up. It's located right next to a hotel that owns it called Sandcastle Beach Resort, something like that. Kind of a little pricey, but it's a good place to eat. Beautiful view. As you can see, you have one heck of a view when you eat here. All right, dinner time.
Oh, you love me. Oh, you love me.
It's a cool perk to our Airbnb here. The lady has 3 or 4 dogs, and they come around. They're all friendly. They'll follow you around everywhere. Kind of like being at home. Another cool thing is mango trees everywhere. There's not one right here, but you know, you got some coconuts up here. And then I think those are guavas maybe. Oh yeah, there's some bananas right up here too. Puppy. And this place has its own hiking trail. Like, there's bananas. Unfortunately, they're not ripe, but look at that. Bananas. Ow. This is one hell of a hike. Oh my god. It's pretty, but whew, so out of shape.
Yes.
Come on, short stuff. This, my friends, is what makes the hike worth it. Yeah, you can see the ocean out there. I believe that's Buck Island. If you look straight out. Oh, it's amazing. At least the hike has gotten easier. It's more of a Jeep trail, or I think it's a power company access, but it's gotten a lot easier. Whew. Hopefully my back holds out to the top. All right, here's a beautiful vantage point. Yep. Water that way, water that way. And it still goes up. Here's what they call a pawpaw. Go right here. What is it?
I don't know, some kind
Papaya?
No, it's not papaya.
It's called pawpaw?
Maybe it's papaya, I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's what the islanders maybe call it. So it looks like a papaya or something. Yuck.
Yeah, I think it's papaya.
There you have it.
Mom, I need the water.
Look at that.
Oh, maybe that.
Wow. Some kind of old car at a house here. Look at the view. So those are the parts he's actually restoring. I think he said it's a 67, 68 Roadrunner. How cool is that? People here are amazingly friendly. He just gave us water and everything. So this is as high as I think we're going. There's a tower up there that you can climb to, but that looks so steep. We're not going to go that far. I think we're kind of good right here. the view is pretty amazing. At least the easy part's going down. Yeah, I forgot to mention, Puppy from our Airbnb was our guide up here. He led us on all the trails. Where's he? Look at him. Good job, Puppy. Good job. Right here.